Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Fab 50s. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how to reduce a double chin using a Gua Sha tool here. We're going to do a great massage with this tool to really help lift, tighten and tone the chin and also the jawline area. Now I am starting with clean skin and I'm using just a little bit of facial oil here, just so you've got a nice dip and glide. It's not necessary, but I prefer to use something so I'm not dragging and pulling at the skin. So I'm just first of all applying just above the chin area and then under the chin area with the fingers, and then just down by the side of the ears and the side of the neck. So first things first, I'm using a jade tool here. They do come in various other materials. I have one here which is a rose quartz. I prefer to use something which is natural rather than a metal jade roller or a jade tool, Gua Sha tool if you like. So today we're going to use the Gua Sha in the jade. Now before we start, apart from having clean skin, you also want to make sure that your jade tool here is actually, well, your Gua Sha is also clean. So you want to make sure you've rinsed it in some slight soapy water and then rinsed it off with some cool water. So first thing, I'm going to take the end parts here, placing my hand as an anchor, and I'm just gently moving the tool to the side here. And we're moving from the middle of the chin area, slightly lifting up the neck if you don't have any neck issues, and moving everything to the side, and then on the other side. And you may find you'll want to swallow while you're doing this, as you can feel things already start to move. We have plenty of lymph nodes in this area, so it's just moving everything along. So now we're going to start with the bits here, which is almost like a top of a love heart. Again, placing hand as an anchor, and we're going to use the middle part for the middle part of the chin. And we're just very gently, slowly and mindfully gliding towards the ears. Now, I personally like to use the jade roller fairly flat because then I feel you have more surface area. But obviously, if you want to use it slightly more at an angle, that's fine too. Personal preference. And we do this a few times. Now, you can do this once or twice a day, obviously depending how much time you have. And one last time on this area. And then again, placing hand as an anchor, middle part and the middle part of the jawline and the chin area, and just working our way slow and mindfully along. Particularly when you're in your 50s and older, the skin, you tend to lose collagen obviously, and this is also going to help with elastin. So you want to be quite careful and light and mindful. You don't want to be pulling and dragging. And then we're going to use the top part again for under the chin now. So from the chin area, gliding very nice and light towards the ear. Okay, moving all the toxins and waste, which can accumulate in the chin area here. And the lymph doesn't work by heartbeat, so to actually move it along, you have to actually physically move it. And then on the other side. Again, I always want to swallow when I'm doing this. You can actually say, you can sort of feel things literally moving while you're using the tool here. Now, if you don't have one of these Gua Sha tools, I will leave a link in the description box down below if you're interested. And now we're going to use it's almost like a pass of a bow here. I'm placing my hand down onto my collarbone, and I'm just lifting up from the neck towards the chin area. Again, slow and mindful. And you can work along the jawline as well. Back to the chin. If you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths while you're doing these massage exercises with the Gua Sha. Really helps with oxygen towards the head and the neck area. So now we're going to take the long part again, and we're working now under the chin towards the ears. And then on the other side. Again, I just always want to swallow while I'm doing this, but it really does help with that chin area. And one last time. So now we're going to take the top parts again. I'm just going to massage very lightly and glide down the front of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes, because we want to move everything down. And then behind the ear. And then with the long parts here, just glide down the side of the ears, side of the neck, down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, taking the top part, just gliding down nice and lightly in front of the ear. And then behind the ear. And then taking the almost the bow parts here from the ear area, just gliding down now, the big SCM muscle, down to the collarbone. And what we've done here, we've moved toxins and waste with our little massage, with our Gua Sha tool, from the chin area. We've pushed it out to the side, and then we've moved it from the lymph nodes, from the ears, all the way down to the collarbone. So to finish off, from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have some indentations. And if you just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the chin area into the body, ready for elimination. Now, afterwards, I do like to then, once we've got our Gua Sha tool and we've used it, to again rinse it in some light soapy water, warm water, and then finish off with a cool rinse of water. So it's ready to use for next time. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed for Fab 50s, and also a thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, oh, and also comment down below. Okay, bye.